see, I've already had 2 or 3 nights of frost warnings where I've had to cover up the tomatoes and the squash, and tonight it's supposed to go way down and then into the low 30s and even high 20s this week. So, knowing that tomatoes are not going to make it, I've had to pull a bunch. And I'm going to try the paper bag with an apple method of trying to get them to ripen. As you can see, none of these beautiful tomatoes are quite done yet. None of them. They're all green. So, hoping that works out. Only one of the squash plants is ready for harvest time, so I don't know what's going to happen to them this week. It's really kind of a bummer. Seriously have to get some greenhouses going here. This climate is 4B, and it is just about impossible to grow anything without a greenhouse. I mean, this tomato got started mad early, and it is very happy. This is all one plant, believe it or not. This humongous mess here. All of these came off of one plant. I forget the name of the variety, or I would be telling you guys right now, because I want to save some of the seeds and grow this next year. Because this is, I mean, these are piled on top of each other. There's a lot of tomatoes here. I'm impressed. Hoping the bag method works. We'll have to give an update on that and see if these little beauties turn red soon. Got the tomatoes in here with a ripe apple. It's supposed to give off a chemical that will help the tomatoes ripen. So, hoping this works.